So I've been using this Dremel screwdriver for a while now at work. I'm an HVAC contractor, semi-retired, but I do like my tools. I've had plenty of impact drivers over the years. In fact, actually, the original OG one that I had was a Black & Decker, I think Skill made it, Black & Decker screwdriver that was cordless, had its own janky charger, but back in the day, it was the only screwdriver that you could get. And then I splurged and got the Milwaukee 2.5 volt. I think it's a little more than that. It's still a NiCad battery. And then they came out with I think it's nickel metal hydride now. I still have it. Gave one to my son, bought one for myself. And since then, lithium ion, impact drivers, 12 volts, 18 volts, got all that stuff. But I wanted something that was small enough to fit in my Vito tool pouch that I carry to go on roofs and stuff like that. And the Milwaukee was a little bit too big. And these new screwdrivers seemed very compelling, so I wanted to try them. I think Project Farm gave me the idea to get this Dremel. I think it's originally made by Bosch. I think that's the history. More importantly, it's rechargeable without any janky charger. Unfortunately, this is micro USB, and I've used this for quite a while. A year or two now. It fits snugly in my Vito pouch. But then I saw a new torque review. What's the channel on YouTube? Anyway, my apologies, but they're just as big as Project Farm. And the Amazon Basics came out on top in their review, and I wanted to try it. And when I was looking at this Dremel, this one was like number 2, number 3 on the list. And I just figured I'd go with the German quality of the Dremel. But then the Torque channel gave this a good review. So I thought I'd try it, especially for 20 bucks. And I'm going to do an overhead to show you the differences between the two. Okay, so here are the two screwdrivers. If you can see them side by side, I was actually really surprised at how much smaller the Amazon Basics is, diameter-wise. And this is my Malco holder that a quarter and 5/16 I use all the time, and it always resides in this Dremel in my Vito little pouch. But as you can see, it's quite a bit smaller, but more importantly, the diameter is quite a bit smaller, which is nice because I don't really need a big, thick, heavy, not that this is thick or heavy, but I need a minimalist screwdriver, and that was the whole point of getting this, so I wouldn't have to try to cram my Milwaukee screwdriver in my bag, or worse, impact driver, the 12 volt impact driver. Again, what I didn't really like, I thought would be a nice novelty, is the push to turn, but it ended up being annoying. And I invariably would end up using just the button to turn it. And what I also found with the Dremel I didn't like, in hindsight, was actually having to do this rocker or the slide direction. Now, I just got this Amazon Basics and haven't really used it at work, but I can tell right off the bat what I'm going to like doing is not having to slide that. What I'm not going to like is the beeping. Not a big deal because I typically work in noisy environments anyway. I do like the light. Whether or not I'm actually going to be able to use that, I don't really know, but it's a nice feature. But more importantly, I just like the form factor, that it is small. And it's just going to take up less space in my tool pouch and will allow me to hold even more stuff in the tool pouch. The other super benefit of this is that it is now, ding, 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 a modern USB-C charging, so I don't have to dig around to the back of my truck to find a micro USB. Oddly, this doesn't have a cover for it. But this does. Turns out this is kind of a pain to pry open. When I first got the screwdriver, I was like fumbling around with it. It was like really, really stuck, but it seems to have loosened up a little bit. Chances are I'll end up ripping that off. But that said, this is very promising. No load speed. Let's see. This sounds like it's got a little bit more torque. I'll try it with some screws and wood. But again, Torque Channel did a review and this guy came up on top. I mean, no load, I think the speed's a little bit faster on the Dremel. But again, the size is what I really want. I wanted something as minimalist as possible. And again, these are both highly well reviewed. So I think this is going to be a winner. I can't wait to try it this week. Today's Sunday night, and I'm going to try it this week. The Dremel will get relegated to the upstairs kitchen drawer duty, the junk drawer duty, since I use my Milwaukee screwdriver in the garage / nice toolbox along with my impact drivers. But yeah, $20, you probably really can't beat this if this is what you really want. Again, these slider buttons kind of annoying. The push feature to screw really never really panned out. And I like the fact that this is fairly simple and quick, actually. It ends up being faster. So thanks for watching, and I'll give probably an update later on and see how these hold up in probably a short.